What if one day, you looked up and saw the moon getting bigger? What if instead of orbiting Earth, it was on a collision course? What would happen if the moon crashed into Earth? Would we survive? The moon is currently moving away from us at 3.8 centimeters per year. But what if it suddenly changed course? As the moon gets closer, gravity on Earth goes wild. Tides grow massive, causing mega tsunamis. But this is just the beginning. As the moon enters our atmosphere, it becomes a giant fireball, heating up like a comet. The sky turns blindingly bright as debris rains down like an apocalypse. Massive earthquakes ripple across the planet. Boom! The impact would release energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. The collision melts the Earth's crust, turning it into a fireball planet. The shockwave vaporizes oceans, leaving nothing but steam. Most life, including humans, would be extinct. The final result? A new planet, much like how Earth was formed. The good news? This won't happen naturally. The moon is actually drifting away from us. But if something like an asteroid knocked it off course, we'd be in serious trouble. Could humans blow up the moon before impact? Maybe, but it would create millions of deadly fragments instead. What would you do if the moon was about to crash into Earth? Like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing science scenarios.